Hello guys, once again welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox Lenovo Thinkbook 14 G2 ITL. Thinkbook is a line of business-oriented laptop, computer and tablets designed, developed and marketed by IBM and Lenovo. Its specification is Core i7 in 11th generation processor and its storage capacity is 512 GB SSD NVMe hard drive and 8 GB of DDR4 RAM and integrated graphics. Its screen resolution in Full HD 14 inches and 3 cell battery and with Windows 10 Pro genuine. Let us check its processor specification. Processor number is 1165G7. It is a 4-core processor and it have total 8 threads. And its processor speed is from 2.8 GHz up to 4.7 GHz. And it have 12 MB of Intel Smart Cache. And this processor support up to 64 GB of RAM. To know more about the product, you may visit their official website. Link I have been given in description of this video. The same product comes in two different types of display. One is 14-inch FHD IPS anti-glare and another one is 14-inch FHD TN anti-glare. This device will support up to 40 GB of RAM. And the same product comes in two different capacity of battery. One is 60 WH battery, you may get up to 8-hour battery backup, and another one is 45 WH, you may get up to 6 hours of battery backup. Inside box comes a high quality 3-pin power cable. In first generation Lenovo Thinkbook was coming a adapter with slim square type connecting cable. But in this model they upgraded the adapter into a Type-C adapter. The Thinkbook line is marketed towards small business users and get same market position as Lenovo ThinkPad E-series. Thinkbook does not have a track point, physical touch bar buttons, and has a simplified keyboard layout. It have a fingerprint reader on its power button, webcam shutters similar to those on ThinkPads. However, the Thinkbook has an aluminum case instead of plastic ThinkPad E-series case. In its left side, USB-C 3.1 Gen 2 USB DP-PD and a USB Thunderbolt 4 and a HDMI port, USB-A 3.0 Gen 1 always on, a headphone and mic combo jack and no hole, and a battery indicator. In its right side, a 4-in-1 card reader slot, USB-A 3.0 Gen 1 port, and RJ45 network cable connecting port. Most of Thinkbooks are coming Windows 10 as pre-installed from factory. It have an appreciable good looking while comparing to previous version of Thinkbook. and have a valuable appearance. Its speakers are coming on both sides, and it have a large air ventilators in its downside. Now we are going to upgrade its RAM. Now we removed its back cover. This device comes with a ULV processor. Cooling solution looks good. There are two thin heat pipes, which leads to a rather long heat spreader. And the heat is blown away with the help of a pretty large fan. From factory comes a 512GB NVMe SSD hard drive. Its battery capacity is 44 watt-hour. Here comes a hard drive bracket to add an additional hard drive. From factory comes a metallic shield over RAM slot. You have to add a DDR4 RAM with 3200 MHz. I prefer Samsung because it is the best brand in memory and storage technology. Now we are going to power on the device. At first you have to configure your Windows. Because of we added an additional RAM, little bit time will take to come display. I do expect this video is going to be helpful one for you. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.